Hello there, it's Greg, and today I'd like to provide a deeper insight into the customer service training that we provide for our home delivery drivers and their off-siders. I thought I might delve underneath three of the areas that we touch on. They are customer engagement, the concept of making recommendations, and then finally dealing with tension. Three very important modules within our program. Firstly, let's look at customer engagement. How do we do it during the program? Well, we actually teach some theory to the drivers of how they should deal with each individual and how they create a good first impression. We actually do role play scenarios. We have them arriving at a door, and behind that door, when they open it on 2 or 3 occasions, is a different customer, each trained to deliver a different style of response when they're greeted. We look for the way our drivers react, respond and interact, and then we go back and debrief that. The next area is the area of making recommendations. We understand that often our drivers will arrive at a home and need to make a decision on how to best execute that delivery. Then they've got to be able to communicate that to the customer. What we train them to do is take subtle control, yet allow the customer to feel as though they're in control themselves. Phrases such as, "Oh, what's worked well in this scenario before? What we normally do is," and then go on to explain their suggestion or recommendation before asking the customer if that's okay with them or if that suits them, is the skill that we teach. Again, lots of role plays to delve beneath the surface and train them in a real situation. Finally, we look at the area of diffusing tension. So if there is some disconnect, some tension on a particular job, rather than a disagreement arising, we train our drivers and their off-siders in the technique called feel, felt and found. And what we do there is allow them to demonstrate empathy, validate the customer's concern, and then move forward to a solution. Phrases such as, "Oh, I can understand your concern. We've had a couple of other customers who have suggested that might be a bit of an issue. What they've found though is when we've done it this way, this has happened, that's happened. Does that make sense to you?" So there we go. There's 3 of our modules and a little bit of a deeper insight as to how we train our drivers and the competency-based training that we provide. Thank you.